Dan, can you tell me a little about your company and what you do so people can understand, what kind of company you have?
Sure, yeah, no problem. We're located in Tucson, Arizona. We are a general contractor that is doing residential, commercial, mostly renovations. And let's see here. So I think it varies between probably about a 60-40 split on that, and that means we got to be able to handle a very diverse work scope between these projects.
Okay. And how many employees do you have?
We're at about 14 right now.
Okay. And tell me, what's your annual volume, just to get an idea of, because people can relate to you or not to relate you on that kind of number.
Yeah, it swings around. It's about 1.5 million on the residential side, and then commercially are between 2 to 5 million based on project.
Okay, great. So you've been working with Contractor Staffing Source. Can you tell me your experience with them and how it's worked for you?
Yeah, absolutely. Paul, your team, and including Susan, have really been a game changer for us. It's really helped us refine, especially on our office side, filling vital roles and then helping us to delegate that responsibility. So the assessments have been spot on in every single case, and it's really helped us build the type of character and the team that we want because we're still a very small outfit. And so it's really vital who we're working with.
And approximately how many hires have you done through us in what period of time and how they worked out?
Ooh, that's a tall question. So, we've hired for the field and we've hired for the office. I think I'm going to just guess right now, probably around 4 or 5 hires for the office that have all worked out really well. Um, one gentleman, it's the typical thing, when his 90 days and it wasn't the greatest fit, but that's what probationary periods are for. And then for the field, we've brought in several, I probably have to say well in excess of 20.
Okay. So would you recommend a contractor staffing source for other contractors and why?
Absolutely. I've recommended it to several of my peer groups already. And as an owner, there's just many, many hats that we wear, and this doesn't need to be another one. So that and the empowering tools like the assessment and the ATS really help nail down and then timely bring on staff when you need to.
Great. And what's been your experience of the CSS team?
It's been excellent, very professional, on point, and definitely understands what our needs are.
Great. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate it, Dan.
You bet. No problem, Paul.